Good morning, good morning. Welcome back to the channel. I am taking the kids to daycare right now. I'm feeling much better. I've been posting my videos where I was feeling like crap from the Zolofts, but I'm definitely feeling better now that I'm back on the Prozac. So yeah. Mr. Man, come on. Can you say hi? Say hi to the vlog. Ezzy. No? All right. All right, I'm about to drop them off and I'll see you guys when I get back. All right, you guys, I'm home now. I don't know, doing a bunch of stuff right now. Right now I'm cooking up some meat. I'm gonna make some taco stuffed peppers because I just want something low carb to eat like for lunch today and tomorrow. Since I lost that 7 pounds last week, like it super motivated me this week to like work out more and eat better. I think the Ozempic is working. I don't know. We'll see. I want to see what my progress is 1 month on Ozempic, you know. I might just had a good week last week. I don't know. We'll see what this week will bring. I'm trying not to step on the scale until the end of the week. But I'm frying up some meat right now and some olive oil. And I'm just going to put taco seasoning in here. I'm going to put a can of diced tomatoes. And then there's Uncle Ben's Spanish, like ready rice. It's Spanish style with tomatoes and peppers. And then I take some taco sauce and I also put it inside there with some Fiesta cheese. And then I take that mixture and put it in some peppers with some more cheese on top. And it's so good. And how I eat it is with some lettuce. And with the lettuce, I'll do sour cream, some cut up tomatoes. I have an avocado to eat with it this time. And then I take with some taco sauce as well. And then I take some of these. Oop, they're falling. And I sprinkle on top of the salad, so just to give it some crunch. It's so good, you guys. So good. You gotta try it. I know the rice isn't low carb. And those little salad topper things isn't low carb, but when I eat it, my sugar doesn't raise too high. But if you wanted to, you could probably make like cauliflower Spanish rice, you know what I mean, and put in here. But yeah, it works for me. I also have my CPAP stuff soaking in here to clean it. And yeah, that's what I'm doing. Alright, it's done. I gotta put some taco seasoning in it now. Peppers are all done, put together, and ready to go in the oven. And then I'm also gonna throw a little laundry in because our downstairs laundry basket is full. I don't know if anybody else. Does anybody else keep a laundry basket downstairs to catch like socks and towels and whatever clothes? It's full. And then I also got a bag of clothes here from when Ezzy stayed with my mom the last couple days. I'm gonna throw in the washer too. She You guys want to hear something? So I put the laundry in the wash, right? And I started hearing some noise. This was in the laundry basket with the clothes, and I didn't even notice because I just dumped the basket in the washer. And yeah, almost tore up my washer. I have to start maybe putting the laundry in, like, just, you know, by the handful instead of just dumping the whole basket in, because that would have been bad. I just opened my Walmart beauty box. I made a little short doing it, so check out my shorts if you want to know what's in my box this summer. And if you don't know about Walmart beauty boxes, it's like $8 and you get a box every season. Summer, spring, fall, winter. All right, peppers are done. I'm gonna go shower because I have to be at work at 1 and it is 12:20. I really wanted to do my Bloom Chic and Torrid haul for you guys today, but I didn't get time. Look what I did. I got all the toys over there, all organized. Well, as organized as I could get it. And it's looking good over there now. We're gonna try to keep it that way. I'm gonna try to teach Ezzy that when he pulls toys out, he needs to put them back in there. Also cleaned up my mess from when I was cooking. So the kitchen is clean. Oh, I have to tell you guys about these things. Do you see those? You know how when I wash clothes, I have to move the dryer in order to get to the washer? And I am like scratching up my floor. Do you see my floor? How it's like has these scratches from me always having to move the dryer? Well, I found these things on Amazon, and I'll link them in the description box. But they basically go under appliances. You can use them for your refrigerator too. Your washer, dryer. They make it easier to slide like heavy furniture out of the way. Like, look. Like it slides so much easier now, and it doesn't mess up the floor. I'm so glad I found these things on Amazon. I thought about getting some for the refrigerator, but I don't really move my refrigerator that much. But these are really, really worth it if you have a situation like mine where you have to constantly like either move your refrigerator or your dryer or washer or whatever. Anything heavy actually, but they're pretty cool. I'll link them in the description box. It will be an Amazon affiliated link. So if you click on the link and you purchase anything, I may get a small commission. I just have to put that out there. So I am out of work. And I already picked up the kids from daycare. Layla's annoyed because she's hungry. But that ain't my fault because she's picky and didn't eat what the daycare gave her for lunch. Okay, stop yelling at me. You're hungry, you're hungry. You should eat what people give you. It's not my fault.
You know I don't eat meat that much.
Anyways, she wants Arby's and she ain't getting it. And she's got an attitude with me because she's hungry. But you know what? We are here to see if they will tighten her glasses for her.
Earlier?
Because they need your face. If you keep having an attitude with me, you're going to lose your phone privileges for today too. So keep at it. I don't care. Learn how to eat lunch at daycare or snack or whatever they give you.
Most of the kids didn't even like it either.
Stop being so picky.
It's not just me, the kids didn't.
You, Layla.
I'm just telling you.
Okay, enough. I already told you. We're done.
I'm trying to tell you something.
You can eat when you get home. I'm not making a special trip to Arby's when you can eat when you get home. Phone gone for the day. Yeah, I went to the plant store today with a girl that I work with. We stopped there because I wanted to get a spider plant because my baby spider, Charlotte, didn't make it. She died. So I wanted to get another spider plant. This time I got like a grown spider plant, and she's already a mama. She's got tons of babies on her already. And I paid $13 for her. Here she is. Look, Layla. Look at all her babies. She's got tons. She's got a lot of babies. She's got a big one over here. Look, she's got a teenager. She's got a teenager and some toddlers and a baby. Look at that one. Look how small that one is.
Here's the actual baby.
Yeah. She's cute.
There's a fly on you.
Is there? This thing is so long. The thing that has her babies on it. Ain't it long? Dang, she got a lot of babies. And then I think I'm gonna name her Charlie.
Name is Charlotte. Just pretend she already
Charlotte
grew.
too?
Yeah, but
I'm gonna name it Charlie, and then these are her little angels. Charlie's angels, her little babies.
okay, let's do this.
Charlie?
No, let's do this. Mommy! So,
Oh, hold on, I forgot to get Ezzy out of the car.
Angel, Charlotte, Angel, Charles.
And then I got
Charlotte.
another snake plant.
Seriously?
This one's a little bit bigger. Yeah, because I want one for like my room.
Okay. It's so hard to. It's less soft.
Yeah, snake plants are hard.
Mommy, Layla.
I'm coming, Ez.
Okay, Mommy. I'm just letting you guys know that
You in the car? Did I forget about you?
I'm dying. How about that again?
He said, why is your flower name Angel?
And also,
You want to see Charlie?
we got banned.
Here, show Ezzy.
Ezzy Carson. Oop. That angel. Yeah, what you getting? You know? Ow, that angel.
Look, Ezzy. Look. Right here in my hand.
Okay, Mommy.
It's got babies. You see the babies right there? Right there. They got babies.
A lot of babies here.
Yeah. That's her angels. Yeah, it's Charlie and her angels. Her angel babies. Yeah. Yeah, she's the mama plant.
Watch, I'm about to get us more subscribers. Like, subscribe for us if you have any of these games.
Girl, move. Doesn't
I'm trying-
everybody play games?
Yeah, at least on their phone.
We all old on this channel. No, I don't know if we are. Here, take a picture. Take a picture of me and my new baby.
I just wanted them.
I love that. I love that spider
Here,
plant.
Izzy, can you hold this?
So we are home now. I had bought Esri a water table from Facebook Marketplace. Oh yeah, the glasses place wasn't open. Even though on the door it says they were open till 7. The door was locked. So I'm going to call them tomorrow and see if they will fix them and then maybe make an appointment. But I'm getting water for Ezzy's water table because I told him yesterday, I got it from him yesterday, that today he could play with his water table that I got him. His new water table. Well, it's new to us. But I got it off Facebook Marketplace. Ready for some water?
Yeah.
Whoa.
I need to put it back here. Yay.
The good thing is it doesn't hold too much water. Oh, can you guys see? Sorry. Alright, Mommy's got to get some more water and I'll get the other pieces to go on there. Well, I guess it does hold quite a bit of water. Yep. Let me see. You see this one? I thought my phone was ringing. That's so you can go like this. Choo choo. I'm not sure where all this stuff goes. Does this go here? Mommy's probably gonna have to look at the picture. See where it all goes. Does this go here maybe?
Yeah.
There's a ball. Oh no!
Why? Please, let me get this ball.
I don't know what this is. Oh, I think it goes on this. I saw this on Amazon. It's like I think $10 on Amazon. And I wanted to buy it for him.
You want it?
Here, let me see. You got the other bag? Look. Oh, it goes in the hole.
I got it all.
Yeah. That's what that's for. Oh, I didn't do it. There it goes. You like it?
Ew, caca.
Ezzy. You don't like the peanuts on this. Do you want me to take the peanuts off?
Yeah.
You just gotta lick them off. Here. Come on, Mom might get hers. There you go.
Come on.
Better?
Yeah.
Okay.
You don't, that's mine. They were mine.
Mm-hmm.
They were yours. You gotta be going like me.
Yeah, I got a baby comb.
You got the baby comb?
Mm-hmm.
I got the big game on McDonald's.
You got a milkshake at
Yeah,
McDonald's?
look it!
What is it?
A pie!
A fly?
Yeah. I just get a pie.
Well, I made an appointment, you guys, tomorrow to get my toes done again because they're growing back. So, the polish is starting to come off. I'm gonna get a mani and a pedi tomorrow.
Oh, Mommy, your teeth came off.
Oh no! Tomorrow morning.
Hey, Mom.
Thank you. You put it on my feety?
Yeah.
Thank you.